Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Sherelle if you're new. And today we're doing a grocery haul. So I'm gonna start over here. I got two things of Nestle Pure Life water. I have some drinks, some more drinks. We got the Body Armor strawberry and banana. These were on sale for $3, so I just went ahead and grabbed the Mountain Dew Baja Blast. I have a thing of Ocean Spray Cran Grape. I like the Cran Grape the best. I've been trying to try the other ones to see if I can get on something else, but this, the White Cran Peach is good, but this right here is just my go-to. Got some more milk. Lactate is the type of milk that we drink. I got a box of sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits. I ordered croissants, but they were substituted. So we got the biscuits. A variety pack of cookies. I have 4 Oreos, 2 Nutter Butter, and 4 chocolate chips. 2 bags of chips. Salt and vinegar. Sour cream and onion. These were 2 for $5. So I grabbed them. Have a pack of extra sweet mini corn on the cobs. It's 12 mini cobs. A box of chicken egg rolls. Some cinnamon French toast sticks. A quick breakfast. Another quick breakfast item. Got a few Lunchables. I got 2 of the nacho and cheese with the salsa. And 2 extra cheesy pizza ones. Got a bag of pepper and onion blend. I use that for a lot of different recipes. Some bacon. I ain't gonna lie. I done went back to the pork bacon, y'all. I don't eat it as much, but it's got a hold on me. A sliced Kobe Jack cheese. These I used to get from Sam's all the time, and I see them in Walmart. I can't remember if it's the exact brand that I used to get from Sam's. I'm not sure, but these used to be good. So I just got 1 box of these to see how the kids like them, if they still like them, and then I'll get more, because this is definitely a quick after-school snack to eat. Some mozzarella sticks. These right here, 10 out of 10, do not recommend. They were so nasty. These blackberry Dr. Pepper. No, don't get them. Needed some more bread. Got Nature's Own butter bread. Got some cereal. Picked up some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Some pancake and waffle mix. I needed some more salt. I got a thing of corned beef hash. It's been a while since I had that for breakfast. I had a taste for it the other day, so just went ahead and got a can to keep on in a stash. Some bananas. A jar of the peanut butter and jelly. A 1 pound family size of oven roasted turkey breast, because my kids are getting too spoiled with coming home and eating things and then eating things. You see what I'm saying? They come home and they eat a meal and then they eat dinner. We need to get back to sandwiches. Get back to what you know, baby. And then we got some eggs. These are large eggs, and also got a thing of the Huggy Fruit Barrel little juices and some hash browns. I don't know if I showed y'all these yet. But yeah, that's all I got for this grocery haul for today. Just a quick little something to get us through the week. We didn't need any meats, so I just got some juices, a couple snacks for the kids. We didn't need any more meat, like I said, so this is all we got. And yeah, it still was about $130. Just a little bit of stuff. It was $130. Yep, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit a like for your girl, because as always, it's free. It don't cost you nothing to hit that button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I love to have you a part of the family. And if you enjoyed this video, why don't you go down and check some more of the other ones that I have. And I'll see y'all in the next video. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.